Oh my god, can you see the dead skin cells coming off my feet so easily? So do you want to know the product? Let's get into the video. Hey guys, this is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here, then welcome to my channel. So guys, I have received two products from ProTouch Skin. So guys, I hope you know about ProTouch. ProTouch is the India's first Tech LED personal care device brand. Also they have skincare, hair care products. And guys, I have received their Protouch Skin Callus Remover Spray and this Advanced Moisture and Repair Feet Lotion. So basically these two are from their feet care range, and in this video I'm going to talk about the details of these two products and also gonna show you the application. So let's start the video. But if you guys watching it for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have received two products. The first product is the ProTouch Skin Callus Remover Spray, and the second one is ProTouch Advanced Moisture and Repair Feet Lotion. And both the products are no animal tested, paraben free, sulfate free and vegan product. So if you have rough and dry feet but you can't find the time to go to the parlor, then ProTouch have the solution. You can use the ProTouch Callus Remover Spray, and the formula of this product combines the natural nourishment of coconut oil and olive oil with the instant exfoliating power of lactic acid and salicylic acid. You have to just rub the product gently to see the magic, and you can see the dead skin cells coming off and revealing the soft and supple skin. After using this spray, you have to wash your feet properly, and for the moisture you can use their Advanced Moisture and Repair Feet Lotion. This lotion crafted with the shea butter, coconut oil, avocado oil with repairing benefits of lactic acid and glycolic acid. The super lightweight and hydrating formula of this spray is designed to absorb deeply and it lock the moisture. So guys, this is a new and very advanced feet care product and I love both of them. Now this Callus Remover Spray costed for 750 rupees, where you're gonna get 100 ml of product, and this moisturizing spray costed for 599, and also here you wanna get 100 grams of product. And guys, both the product works amazing, so go for these two products. And yeah, let me know how do you feel about this product. This is it about this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.